Eddy's last night. And we ate dinner there last night. That was pretty darn good.
Yep, burgers were great.
And they have a Three Bears here, which is down there.
To the left of that truck, the green building.
Yeah, that was fantastic too. But this was free. And now today we're going to go, and the laundromat is over there.
About a half mile down the road. On the left.
And we're going to do our laundry this morning. And then what are we going to do, Mr. C?
We're trying to find places where we can boondock. We think we found a place down by the river, by those mountains over there. I guess it'd be north here. Yeah, I'm facing northwest. That's north is that way. So we're going to try to find a place to boondock. They have campgrounds here. They're kind of expensive. I mean, they range, what we've been running into, from $30 to $70 a night. And we don't need full hookups. So we're just trying to find out how it works here. We found some BLM land, but it's a ways away. And then we found a BLM campground. We found two of them. There's one up by Chicken, 60 miles from here. And there's one behind us 60 miles back on the bad road over there towards the border.
We don't want to go that way.
That would be probably a great stop on the way across, because it can take up to, long rigs.
Yeah, gotcha.
And it's BLM, so their campgrounds are usually pretty good. That I've had experience with this. I think it's $12 a night, with the seniors like 6 or 8. I'm not sure. We're gonna check out some of that stuff and let y'all know. But there's plenty of campgrounds around here with vacancy, and they removed a lot of the snow. Those are snow piles right there with dirt on them.
Oh, let me see.
That's when you see all the water standing.
Oh,
it's all up under the sign. They had it all piled up out here. A lot of it out here is melted, but it's melting down. So, and they had a lot of snow here, so you can see it still up on the mountains, and they have some flooding up in Alaska here because of the warm temperatures that are coming. It's going to be like 70 here tomorrow. It's going to be 68 or 9 today.
Ooh, snow melt big time.
Yeah, it's going to have some snow melt. So, it happens. These people up here are prepared for it.
Right.
And there's the RV repair center over there.
Hold on.
Right over there.
Okay.
They work on RVs, and they do welding and all kinds of stuff. It's got welding services, and they can't get you part. They can probably make it for you. They got all kinds of stuff over there. Awesome. I hear it's a very, very good 5-star place. So it was Fast Eddy's. The food was excellent. We might, if we're around, we might try their pizzas one night.
There's the little cabins that they rent out. How cute are they?
Motels over there, motel rooms.
Motels. Yeah, pretty sweet. I mean, this is just a gravel parking lot. Now, if you're expecting everything in Alaska to be paved, sorry, it's just not going to happen.
No.
Not going to happen.
There's no point in it, really. It's a lot of excess money.
Yeah.
I mean,
well, because of the snow and, you know, permafrost and all that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
Okay. See, there's folks. See, we were worried if we parked up there where that semi is, that we would hear a semi all night.
Well, and the trucks were pulling in here late last night, and they left early this morning.
Yeah.
And there was actually a traffic jam up there last night.
There was.
On the highway. Trucks, there was a bunch of, I think they were pipe hauling trucks, hauling pipe, pulled in there, and they were headed south, actually. So, you run into these things out here, and this is a small town, only like, Tok is only like, what,
600?
1,600, I think.
Yeah.
1,600 people with the latest census.
Yeah.
Something like that.
But everybody we've run into is really nice.
Yeah,
and
been real friendly folks.
Yeah. So we've enjoyed it so far.
Yeah.
Let's go see what the laundromat's about.
Mm-hmm.
All right. The laundromat in town has a hotel and some kind of gold jewelry place there. But the laundromat itself is really nice and clean. They have 6 washers. They're the double loads. And 6 dryers, I do believe. The girl in there, well, we met 2 girls in there. Fantastic. They also have showers there that are $5 for each person. And they keep it super clean in the showers also. So, that's a nice laundromat. There is another one in town, but it was not open. Look at my hubby over there cleaning up the kitchen.
Yeah.
So, do you have anything you want to say about Tok?
Yeah, from the laundromat to the restaurants to the repair work we've had done here, people very good, very genuine, very kind.
Yeah.
And
I mean, the guy at the RV auto, whatever.
Place.
Yeah. He tried to help us. So he really came through for Daryl, though.
Yeah, got his
Yeah.
truck fixed up good. It was a little
Yeah.
expensive, but hey, when you got to have it out here, you got to have it.
And we ate at Fast Eddy's 3 times.
Yep.
That was pretty darn good.
Yeah, it was all good. Our experience here was good. And out of town, we wish we. The only regret is I think I would say I wish we could camp closer to town. Down underneath.